How to send Roblox server link in Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can share a Roblox server link on Discord. So it's a simple process, so follow the steps. So you can do this on your computer through the Roblox website in a web browser or on your phone using the Roblox app or website. So first of all, you need to select the game that you want to share the server for. Then go to the Service tab in the bottom. If you want to share your private server, scroll down and click on the three dots and then tap on Configure. In the configuration settings, make sure that Allow Joining Friends is enabled, and at the bottom of the page you will find the private server link. Click on Generate if you haven't done it yet. Then simply copy the link, and next open your Discord and paste the copied link into a channel or a direct message. Hit enter. And now anyone who clicks the link will be taken directly to your private server in the game. This only works for private servers. You cannot share links to public servers. There is no shareable link for public servers. If you and your friend want to join the same public server, you will need to coordinate and find the same one manually. So I hope this video helped you learn how to share a Roblox server link on Discord. If it did, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.